AddPlus is the software for technical and communication professions. It simplifies the organization of digital content, allowing you to store, manage, and share it in a paperless way. Based on a multi-dynamic method, it automatically generates multi-link landing pages, which you can use to create an effective archiving system, communicating with web pages, links, attached files, vCards, or all of these together. What makes it so effective? Each landing page is customizable and can be shared with your team, and sets no limits for editable content. You can organize lists, manage deadlines, and trace documents with automatically associated QR codes. You can label a single document to view 1,000 directly from your smartphone. AddPlus is already all this. And tomorrow, we want to make traceability even more effective with quicker access to data. Instantly display information on your device by framing a document without interruptions. You will be able to instantly reach and share other documents and web pages of your creation, as well as your social media, videos and images, and much more besides. Tracking your saved content will be easier and smarter than ever before. This is a project you're welcome to take part in. Support it and spread it. Your contribution is important. Take a step forward and live and work in an augmented way.